Looking to upgrade your kitchen tools? Today, we're diving into the top 3 food kitchen scales available on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these scales offer precision, durability, and value. Check the description to learn more about each product. Number 1. Itexity Food Kitchen Scale. The Itexity Food Kitchen Scale is a favourite among home cooks and professionals alike. With a sleek stainless steel design, it offers a weight capacity of up to 11 pounds or 5 kilograms and measures in increments of 1 gram or 0.05 ounces. The backlit LCD display ensures easy readability, and the tare function allows you to subtract the weight of containers for accurate measurements. Its compact size makes storage a breeze, and it's powered by 2 AAA batteries, which are included. Pros? High precision measurements. User-friendly interface. Compact and easy to store. Cons. Limited to basic weighing functions. No nutritional data tracking. Number 2. Greater Goods Digital Kitchen Scale. Next up is the Greater Goods Digital Kitchen Scale, known for its balance of functionality and aesthetics. It boasts a high-contrast LCD screen and measures up to 11 pounds with 1 gram precision. The scale features 4 units of measurement: grams, ounces, milliliters, and pounds, ounces. Its minimalist design fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor, and the smooth surface makes cleaning effortless. Additionally, a portion of each purchase supports charity, adding a feel-good factor to your buy. Pros: sleek, modern design, multiple unit conversions, charitable contribution with purchase. Cons: requires manual calibration occasionally. No advanced features like nutritional tracking. Number 3. Ozeri ZK14 S Pronto Digital Kitchen Scale. The Ozeri ZK14 S Pronto is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. It offers a maximum weight capacity of 11.24 pounds and measures in increments of 1 gram or 0.05 ounces. The scale features an enlarged weighing platform and a large LCD screen for easy reading. It also includes a tare button for subtracting container weight and an automatic unit button that instantly converts between grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters. Powered by 2 AAA batteries, the Ozeri scale also has an automatic shut-off feature to preserve battery life. Pros: affordable price point, easy-to-use functions, compact and lightweight design. Cons: plastic construction may not be as durable, lacks advanced features. Each of these kitchen scales offers unique features to suit different cooking and baking needs. Whether you prioritize design, functionality, or budget, there's an option here for you. Check the description for links to all 3 and choose the one that best fits your kitchen.